Recently, with the gradual warming of the weather, the spring tea in Yongfeng County has successfully entered the harvest season. The fresh spring tea has hit the market, bringing the first wave of spring tea fragrance to tea enthusiasts. The white tea industry in Yongfeng County relies on the ecological advantages of the Wuyi Mountains and is based on high mountain tea garden to develop a green economy. The county has more than 20,000 acres of white tea plantations, with an annual output value exceeding 100 million yuan, and has driven income increases for more than 1,000 households. The tea is renowned for its tenderness, fragrance, and mellow taste, has obtained organic certification. The industry integrates culture and tourism by holding tea picking activities and tea art competitions. Through the company at cooperative and household model, it promotes standardized production, enhances added value, and helps rural revitalization, becoming a characteristic and pillar industry in the county.
像这个茶叶的话，每天采下来的一个青叶是1000多斤，然后加工成一个成品茶大概是200公斤左右。照目前市值来算的话，大概是10多万的样子。每天一个工人大概是在300多个人的样子，平均下来每个人大概有100多到200的样子。